In this video, you will learn how to fix we are having trouble making sure it is you on PayPal. First, clear cache or cookies. Go to your browser settings, clear cache or cookies and restart your browser. Use a trusted device or location. Log in from a previously used device on a secure private network and disable any VPNs or proxies. Switch browsers or devices. Try a different browser or use the PayPal app on your phone. Check two-factor authentication. Go to your PayPal settings and security, then two-step authentication. Make sure your phone number and settings are all up to date. Update the PayPal app. If you're using the mobile app, update it to the latest version via your Apple App Store. Reset your password. If your logging issue continues, reset your password through PayPal and login page. Contact PayPal support. If nothing works, reach out to PayPal customer support for manual verification. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.